Hey guys, so today video is gonna be a new series. Actually I know I started a lot of series of video, but I never really make them second episode. But I swear I would probably continue make this, but I really just want to start a new series. I think this series is actually called whatever Japanese snacks. So in this first episode, we'll be making dorayaki, which is Doraemon's favorite. I originally wanted to speak Japanese in this video, but because of lack of confidence, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so first we're just gonna knead the clay. I'm using white color clay and I'm coloring this using yellow ochre. Also, all the materials will be in the description box below. So this is how it look like. So then I'm gonna use this to measure it, like the measuring spoon, and I'm gonna measure two similar ones so the size will be equal. And I'm gonna roll it into a bowl. I then use the measuring spoon, like there's a curve on the back side there. I simply just place it on top and I'm squeezing it around the shape so I can make it into like a dome shape. So you're just gonna keep shaping it until you got the best one that you like, and make sure like the edges is actually the same thickness. And we're just gonna repeat the same thing for the two same one. And I'm using a Acrylic flattener to actually flatten it out, smooth out the edges so it doesn't look flawed, and cut a bitten part using a cookie cutter. I'm just making a mark first, and I'm using a scissors to cut it out actually. This is optional, you don't have to make it like the bitten part, it depends on you. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna smooth the edges, and I'm using like a feather wire tool or something, whatever thing that I'm gonna make like the indent texture. So yeah, and this is how it look when it dries. So now we're gonna make the look on the top part, and I'm mixing color red, yellow and brown. It's all acrylic. A little bit more dark brown color. And also, if you want to do the coloring right, you really have to look on the brand of the clay, because not every single brand actually suits to put these acrylic colors on it. So Hearty actually works though. So yeah, I'm using Hearty in this tutorial. This is how it look like, and you're just gonna keep repeating the step until it got like the very thick color. Now I'm using this red bean that I pre-made already, and I'm mixing two color of glass paint, red and brown. Yeah, sorry, I just forgot name. And then gonna mix it all together. And for the red bean, right, just normal red bean. Sorry, pardon my hair, y'all. Pardon my hair. I have really long hair. I'm like focusing, so yeah, I'm sorry. So this is how it's supposed to look like. You're gonna make sure it's all mixed together with the glass paint. And now this is the piece that I've done coloring. And then now you're just gonna apply it in there. I actually made a mistake here though. You shouldn't apply it on the part that is bitten. You should apply it on the part that's not bitten. So when you cover it up, you actually can see the red bean paste. So I did a mistake here, so I'm gonna actually change it off the camera. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be like. So when you put this one, and now you actually can't see the red bean. And now you're just gonna let it dry. And when it dry, it looks like this. And now we're gonna do the final last step, which is glazing. As always, I'm using a glossy one for this. So you're gonna like apply it to all the part and let it dry. So I really hope you all enjoy this tutorial. I hope the next video is gonna be a squishy like remake one, or not. It's gonna be still this one. Yeah, it really depends. And I really want to speak Japanese in this tutorial though, but like I'm really scared I'm gonna get hate, like because I probably like wrong grammar mistake or whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.